Canon R3 is the flagship mirrorless camera from Canon, released in September 2021. With its impressive specs and advanced features, the R3 is a high-performance imaging machine that's designed for professional photographers and enthusiasts alike. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features and specs that make the R3 stand out. The R3 boasts a 24-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor with Canon RF mount, along with a powerful Digic X processor that delivers high-speed performance and exceptional image quality. It also offers a wide ISO range and impressive shutter speeds of up to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter and 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter. Speed is the key feature to attract wildlife and sports photographer. One of the standout features of the R3 is its Eye Control AF system, which allows you to select your focus point simply by looking at the subject from viewfinder. The R3 also features sensor shift in body stabilization, providing up to 8 stops of compensation for sharper images and smoother video. And with its dust and water-resistant construction, the R3 is built to withstand the toughest shooting conditions. The R3 high-capacity battery, HD adjustable LCD screen, electronic viewfinder, and multifunction should make it a versatile tool for any shooting situation. And with support for Wi-Fi and smartphone connectivity, along with built-in GPS and 2 storage slots, the R3 offers plenty of options for sharing and storing your images and videos. R3 being capable of shooting at 30 frames per second in full-resolution 24MP RAW. It can also record 6K RAW video at 60 frames per second, 4K up to 120 frames per second, and Full HD up to 240 frames per second for amazing slow-mo shots, and also featured with CLOD 3.
What really sets the R3 apart is its high-speed performance and exceptional sensitivity. With its silent electronic shutter and Eye Control AF, the R3 is a top choice for wildlife and sports photographers who need to capture fast-moving subjects with precision and speed. And with its advanced AF tracking, including animal eye detection and vehicle detection, the R3 makes life easier than ever to get detailed and sharp clicks in any situation. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiastic hobbyist, the Canon R3 offers the speed, sensitivity, and quality you need to unleash your creativity and capture the perfect shot every time. I have summarized the review in less than 3 minutes. If you like the video, please like and subscribe for more videos.